1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus x. So here you can write it as 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus x. Okay, let's multiply this fraction by its. Okay, this fraction should be multiplied with 1 minus x. This one multiplied with 1 minus x. Similarly, the nearby fraction that would be multiplied with its corresponding denominator. That's multiplied with x plus 1. Okay, we are just equalizing the denominator. So when you equalize the denominator, it will become x plus 1 into 1 minus x. 1 minus x. And in numerator, we have 1 times 1 minus x. That would be 1 minus x already. Then minus 1. Here, there's a negative. It's very, very important when we deal with negative. Compulsory, you should use a pair of brackets. X plus 1. Let's keep our denominator as it is. Okay, let's keep it as it is. Numerator, when you simplify 1 minus x, here you should multiply. There's a pair of bracket. No, you should multiply the negative 1 to this x. Negative 1 multiplied with x, that's negative x. Negative 1 multiplied with positive 1, that's negative 1 again. Negative 1 again. So after this positive 1, in denominator we have x plus 1 into 1 minus x as it is. Denominator, yeah, that remains same. In numerator, positive 1 and negative 1 will become 0. So finally, negative x and negative 1x, here also another negative 1x. Both together will become negative 2x. Denominator, you have x plus 1 into 1 minus x. 1 minus x. This would be your answer in this case. Just I multiply the denominators and numerators to get a common denominator. Accordingly, we found our common denominator as x plus 1 into 1 minus x. Similarly, I multiplied the numerators as well with their corresponding values. So 1 minus x, that remains same. There is no any changes. But before this one, we have a negative function. Negative 1 into x plus 1, that will become negative 1x, negative 1. Positive 1 and negative 1 can be simplified. That will give you 0. Negative 1x will become negative 2x. Denominator does not change.